This video I'm going to discuss the navigation menus. So on your storefront you have two navigation menus, one right here at the top and one right here on the side. So in admin you'll want to go to storefront CMS, then click on navigation menus. So by default on the top nav this is what you see by default. Now if I want to insert a new menu, it's going to delete and override everything that's up here. Home, my profile, services, all these submenus, customer support. It's going to override that and only have what you decide to put up. So you want to click on Insert New Navigation Menu. We'll do a label, call it Test. I'm going to have it at the top. This allows you to display this particular menu or item when the user is logged in or not. Maybe you only want people that are logged in to see this specific link, so you want to check that if you want it to show that when people are logged in. We're just going to have it up there for everyone, so we're going to leave that unchecked. The URL type, use template. This basically is going to pull a page that's already created within your software, or I can click on use custom and I can put whatever link I want to. So use custom, I can open up a new window or a current window, and then the URL that I want the link to go to. Or use template, and then I'll basically, which site is a store or customer, go to store, we'll go with core, and then we'll show a link to the footer. And this will open up a new window. So we're going to input this, we'll test footer. So now that that particular label is now added to the menu, go back to the store, refresh, and you'll see it's located right here. We click that, and it basically takes us to the footer page. Now maybe we want to add a submenu to that, so go back to navigation menu. Click on submenu items, and then we'll want to add a submenu. We'll just do test sub. Link type, we'll do custom. I'll have it open a new window, and we'll tell it to go to Google. Insert submenu. Go back to the storefront, refresh the page. As you can see, a little arrow, it means there's a submenu there. Test sub, click on that, takes us right to Google. Going back to the navigation menu, I can also change the rank. So let me add one more in here so you can understand the ranking. I'll do test 2 at the top, use a template. So currently test footer is ranking 1, test 2 is ranking 2. So go back to the store, we'll do a refresh. As you can see, test footer is ranking 1, test 2 is ranking 2. So if I want to change that, I can make this 2, make this 1, I'll click on save ranks. So test 2 is now 1, test footer is now 2. Go back to the store, refresh to see what we did. Test 2 is now ranking on number 1. Test footer is ranking number 2. I can also disable this navigation menu, so if I want to build it all out, I can disable it, and if I disable it, or if I delete these, by default it'll go back to what's normally there by default, the 4 menus that are, the 4 labels that are currently up there. And if I want to add left navigation menu, same thing, insert new navigation menu. I'll label it test left, select left, and I'll use a template. I'll go with the affiliate page, and let me go with the FAQ. Then I'll have it land on the categories. So I'll insert this menu. It's been added. Going back to the store, do a refresh, and here it is. Test left. Going back to the navigation menu again, I can edit this. I can go back and add a submenu if I wanted to. Test left sub. Insert sub, that's been inserted. Go back to the storefront, refresh the page, and there you see it. There's the sub menu on the left nav. And that pretty much covers the navigation menu.